Now it's time for my resident golden oldie for the edge cleaning test. Now I know the super uber convertible fans will go, this isn't really meant for bare floors. But if you look in my earlier bare floor tests from 6-7 months ago, it did very well. And I'm going to put it all the way down on low. But remember, this has the super uber long bristles that give fantastic agitation. So why not? Let's see what it does. Maybe it'll do great. So again, this is all the way down on low. Alright, well, you know what? That's better than some other vacuums. It did better than the Simplicity Symmetry. Got some remnants there and some remnants there. But it got the vast majority of it. So, good early 1970s girl there. It works. Didn't seem to hurt anything. Until next time, happy edge cleaning.